Hi guys, welcome to UrbanAsian. This is
Thank you.
Krunel.
Thank you so much for having us.
How does it feel? What's the response you're getting for the trailer of Inside H2?
Come on.
Well, everyone's really excited. Everyone's asking whether Bhavan is alive or not, and everyone's asking whether Devendra is a bhoot or not. So it's a lot of questions, a lot of mysteries are flying around. Yes.
Everyone is also wanting to know what is Matra doing.
That also, yes.
Yeah.
And very excited to see that my son is finally relieved and what he's going to be doing in season 2.
Yeah. Also, Tanuj, please elaborate.
Well, honestly, people have been asking for the past 2.5 years when is season 2 going to come out? Who is Bhai Saab? Is there a Bhai Saab? Is Richa Bhai Saab? I get all kinds of conspiracy theories, and they catch me in the, like on the street, they catch me in the mall, they catch me from the movies, wherever, right? It's crazy. So now that the trailer's out, of course, there's a lot that we have not revealed, but based on that, like people are like, oh no, it's so sad to see Arvind and Vayu at odds. You guys are so good as a team, and this and that. And who's the new girl on the block? Who is she? How does she factor into the scheme of things? Because we've not revealed a lot about Mantra as yet, but trust me, there's a whole lot going on there as well. People are excited to see that Vikrant Dhawan is back, the reveal at the end of the trailer. And I think the general response has been extremely positive. And I can kind of feel the hype building, so yeah.
Will we once again see like how your relationship for Vayu and Arvind?
Yeah.
First, you all were good buddies at the start of it. Then you became captain when he was assaulted, but on
Yes.
a team leave. I mean, what do you say, sick leave? But will we see another switch like that later during the season where you become friends once again?
See, spoiler. The thing is that what you will see more is when there is this, eventually it's the game. Okay, that's going to be the biggest revenue. I can say that for sure. The thing is, all of a sudden there is, as you see in the trailer, there's a switch. I moved to Haryana Hurricanes. I captain that. He's captaining Mumbai Indians. So you'll see two people who have had technically the same, growth as far as their game is concerned or human beings are concerned, and now they are at two opposite ends. So there is going to be friction. There is going to be a lot of blame. There's going to be a lot of words exchanged. But then it's all for the benefit of their various teams. There's a transformation of my character. There's a transformation of Tanuj's character from being indisciplined, and showing up late all the time to now being a captain and trying to set an example and trying to lead from the front. I know it's a bit difficult, but he's trying to get there still. And as far as my character is concerned, all of a sudden he thought Mumbai Indians is his own team, and he loved all his team members like his own family, and he stood up for everyone, and he wanted everybody to do well and be honest and play a fair game, to realizing nobody is with him. Eventually, there is shift in power, everybody goes to the powerful person, and he's left all alone. It's about a good man going down. How he's going to form his team is a big question. How he's going to get the best out of his boys in Haryana Hurricanes is another big question. And there are many loops, not just mine as a character personally, but Vayus, Mantras, Aisabs, Zarinas. Where does Zarina go from there? What happens to Devendra, Prashant, Kanoja? How well did he take running away on that railway track? Does he come back? And how does he come back? How does he feel? Is he confident or not? So there are many amazing subplots, and I feel that eventually, we are selling it on a great rivalry between Mumbai Indians and Haryana Hurricanes. Fair enough, because cricket is the biggest level, but the subplots are which are going to be extremely interesting.
How is it working on sets this time? Like you all have come once together. You all have once again come back together. But you're new. Did you see the friendship, the fun they had? How was it?
So, for me, this is the first time I've joined a show in season 2. I normally start in season 1. So I was a little nervous because it's also a really big experience ensemble cast. But then I realized I worked with Angad on 24 season 2. I've worked with Shine before, and Zarina, which is a dear friend as well. So I got quite a very warm welcome. There was a lot of fun and antics happening. Everybody, I think we were all quite the party people.
Yes.
So that was fun.
I think that's one thing that really brought all of us together, including our new director Akash, Bhatia, Sapna, and everyone else associated with season 2. Because we were in Georgia for almost like 1 month shooting over there.
Oh, wow.
And it was, I didn't even feel like we were shooting. I felt like we were on like this holiday, and it was like on set, off set, it was like life was a party. And the best news broke back then because we were all together, and that's when we got to know about the Emmy nomination, right?
Oh.
Which we initially thought was someone playing like a really silly practical joke on us, but then once we realized and we solidified that it was indeed happening, that shit was real, it gave us all the more reason to celebrate and party hard. So I think when people get along for real and it's not fake or pretentious, that somehow comes across on screen. And you know, of course, like Angad, Sid, Sharoni, Richa, all of us have been doing Vivek. We've all been doing this for a couple of years, but having Bhai Saab and having Sapna and all these new entrants, Eddie, Vidya, all these guys on board and all, I think the family's just gotten larger and it's become a whole lot more fun. Yeah.
So there's a
the
subtle
thing
price.
is that, you know, this show has given us everything, I'll be very honest. It's given us a lot of love, it's given us a good fan base, and I feel that now it's our time to give back something, you know, and we're very extremely proud of one another. I know it's a very highly competitive world, the film industry and the entertainment industry, where you always looking out for yourself. But this show has taught us how to be together. You know, it's taught us how to be proud of each other. It's taught us how to actually help each other in scenes, because it's not about any one character. It's not about one upmanship. It's about if you do well, if I do well, if we all do well, the scene does well. And
It's about the team.
I think
Absolutely, yeah.
That's I think that base is set by Karan so well, who's the creator with Gurli, and also Ritesh and Farhan, the producer, they said everything. So it just doesn't feel that, you know, what I do, everybody's treated equally, everybody's loved as much, everybody's spoken to, everybody, you know, gets a nice hug and gets looked after really well off the set as well. So I think it's just beautiful because it's very rare. We all go work outside, various other, you know, projects.
Yeah.
But when you all come together, the kind of love we have here is beautiful.
So basically, the feel that you'll have on sets or in the show of the team is what you should put first. It's what gets you success, is what you'll follow off sets, off camera as well.
You know, like even if you talk about like the already existing equations between characters, Angad and me, I genuinely believe are very close to what our characters were in season 1, as in the camaraderie, the equation that we share with each other. I really do look up to him. I seek his advice. It could be personal, professional, in any capacity. Siddhant and me again is different. You know, now he's really hit it big time. We're all super happy for him.
Yeah, we're happy.
You know, we're really happy. There's no sense of jealousy, or there's no sense of, oh my god, like why him, why not us? You know, because we're all like one big happy family. Be it Amit Sial. I mean, that's how he is in real life with us, and that's how we speak, and that's the amazing, you know, love that we share for each other. And now with all these guys, with Sapna coming on board and all, I think we've just added to that somewhere. And you can't fake it. You may be the best actor in the world, right? But it's only going to work if that one thing is Virwani and me. I mean, Sharoni and me as well.
Yeah.
I have to tell you guys this really funny story. We were shooting one day for season 2. And she gets a call from someone and they're like, we're doing this project with Tanuj and we want you to star opposite him. And she yelled at that person. She's like, how dare you say that I am his sister? And she slammed the phone. So and then she looks at me and she's like, can you believe this guy's nerve? Can you believe his cheek? He's asking you to be opposite. He's like a real love interest. And I'm like, full power.
Yeah, no, they actually squabble like brothers.
Yeah. And it's not fake. It's not like, okay, she's my sister, so we're gonna do this. So he's my mentor, so I'm going to be like this. But it just happened, and this is one of those organic projects that has come together in the best way possible.
It's quite a well-oiled machine, I think, inside it.
Sapna, can you tell us something about your character and how you decided to join the season 2?
Well, I actually know nothing about cricket. I'm currently learning. Yes. I'm actually a football girl.
Oh, okay.
But I actually got into cricket now. I actually really enjoy watching cricket, thanks to Inside Edge. Yeah, so it was actually the faith, I think, that Karan, Anshuman, Gurmeet Singh and Akash Bhatia had in me when we want you to play mantra. And I was like, I don't know anything about cricket. And they're like, no, it's fine. I think my character brings some light-heartedness to the show amongst all these shady, big manipulators, this power play that's happening. I feel like she's a breath of fresh air.
She was a little lost lamb in the woods.
She is
And
definitely
that's a nice
lost
thing to
lamb in
see.
the woods.
Nice thing to see, right?
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
a lot of vulnerability there.
Yeah.
Some innocence.
She still has her soul intact, you know, unlike many of the other characters on this
Yes.
show, you know.
She's
And
not been corrupted yet.
yeah.
But I think she's a very likable character. I hope you guys like her as well. And she's connected to two very important characters and then grasp also.
Which we will discuss after 6th of December.
Sure.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Last question to you all. Can you tell me about your upcoming projects?
Okay, so I have, after this, I am doing a project with Ekta Kapoor, and then I'm releasing a film called Success
Okay.
which is a film for film. I saw Jack Kapoor as my poster. That releases on the 3rd.
Sapna?
I'm actually just about to start a feature and a series. I will talk about that as soon as I can, along with one.
Avich?
Yeah, so I have an old Balaji show called Golden coming out in January.
Okay.
Another one. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I've got another one called Cartel, which I'm currently working on, and a couple of other things which we'll talk about when the time is right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Angad Bedi,
Hi, I'm Sapna Pabbi.
Hi, I'm Tanuj Virwani.
and you're watching us on
UrbanAsian. Please like, share,
and
subscribe,
right.
and click on the bell icon for
And
notifications.
watch us on